In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get all the Christmas hats on Among Us on Android. And the process is pretty much the same on an iOS device. So all you need to do is launch up Among Us. And then once you're on the screen, you just want to swipe out of the game. You don't have to exit, just swipe out. And then you want to go to the settings on your phone and change the date and time. So I'm just going to swipe down and then I'm going to search for date and time. Tap on that. And then you want to turn off set automatically, and you want to go ahead and change the date to 2018 December 25th. So the 25th of December 2018, then you want to tap on OK, and then you want to go back into Among Us and you want to tap on online, and then you can just create a game really quickly, confirm that, confirm it again, then walk over to the PC, then tap on customize at the bottom right, then you want to tap on hat, and then you'll see a little $ above your character. Tap on that and then you can see all the holiday hats and so on. So it's a very cool trick to get the holiday hats before Christmas. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.